In 2010, someone paid 10,000 digital coins for 2 pizzas. Today, those coins would be worth hundreds of millions. So, what exactly is cryptocurrency? And why does it command so much belief? In this video, we'll calmly unpack what cryptocurrency really is. We'll explore where it came from, how it works beneath the surface, and why so many people believe it represents a new chapter in the story of money. By the end, you'll understand crypto not as hype, but as a system. Let's start with the problem cryptocurrency was trying to solve. Traditional money depends on trust in institutions, banks, governments, and central authorities. But after the 2008 financial crisis, that trust was shaken. Banks were rescued, savings were diluted, and everyday people paid the price. Out of that moment, a new idea quietly emerged. Here's where it gets interesting. Cryptocurrency is digital money that doesn't rely on a central authority. Instead of banks keeping records, transactions are stored on a blockchain, a public shared ledger that anyone can verify. Think of it like a spreadsheet copied across thousands of computers. To change one entry, you'd have to convince the entire network. That's what makes it difficult to fake and powerful. But there's a twist. Cryptocurrencies aren't printed. Most have a fixed supply, governed by code. Bitcoin, for example, will never exceed 21 million coins. This scarcity is intentional, designed to mimic something closer to digital gold than traditional currency. New coins are created through a process called mining, where computers compete to validate transactions and secure the network. In return, they're rewarded with newly issued coins. Why people care so deeply? For supporters, crypto represents control. Control over assets without banks, transfers without borders, rules enforced by math instead of institutions. For critics, it's volatile, speculative, and still unfinished. And both can be true at the same time. Like the early internet, the technology is imperfect, but transformative. Cryptocurrency isn't just about price charts or quick profits. It's about trust. Who controls money, who verifies truth, and whether systems can exist without centralized power. Some projects will fail. Many already have. But the idea that value can move freely, securely, and independently has already changed the conversation. In the end, cryptocurrency asks a quiet but profound question. What if money belonged to the network, not the institution? If this helped you see cryptocurrency more clearly, consider subscribing for more calm explorations into money, technology, and the systems shaping our future. This is Cold Insight. Thanks for listening.